Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this model in FreeCAD 1.0. Okay, let's start. First, we need to create a new sketch. Then we need select exit plane. Next, we need to create a circle, radius 40. Make dimension 18 mm. Okay, close. Next, we need use pad command. $17.5. Okay, we need robust. Anyway, okay. Next, we need to create these leg transfer 14.5. So create a new sketch. Next, we need to select exit plane. Then we create external geometry, this line. View sketch. Next, we need to create line. Make dimension these 14 and 35. 14, the angle 14.5. Okay, the sketch is folding constraint with closed. The next pocket. We need to use symmetric to play and select slow all. Okay. Next, we need to create this feature. Okay. Create a new sketch. Select exit plane. Then we create third view sketch. From here, make dimension 55. No. Create a reference line. This line constraint. Next, this point 15.5. Okay, select this line and constraint geometry. $25. 7.5. Okay, leave the sketch. Then we need pipe and 65. Symmetrical to play. Good. Okay. Next, we need to create the code 15, 8, and 9. So, select this face and create a new sketch. Create external geometry, this arc. Then we need to create a hole, diameter 9 mm. Close the sketch and select pocket. Slow all. Okay. Select this face again and create a new sketch. Oh. External geometry, this circle. Create a new sketch. The diameter 15. Close the sketch and select a pocket command. 8 mm. Here. Look. Okay. Next we need to create this hole and this pocket. So create a sketch. We need to select exit plane. Then create external geometry. View sketch. First we need to create a circle. Then create an arc, rectangle, constraint, make them, and okay. The radius 22.5, 3 mm. Okay, the sketch is fully constructed. We leave the sketch. Next, we need to use the pocket command and tab through all. Reversed. Okay, nice. Next, we add the fillet 12 mm and this. So select these two edges, hold keyboard Ctrl 12. These 2 mm. And these two lines, edge 1 mm. Okay. Two mm. Okay, we finished the part. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. See you next video.